So hello guys, this video is for day 18, 19 and 20 of the 30-day challenge. And before you all tell me, I know very well that I have been inconsistent for a while, and that was specifically because of a couple of reasons. I was actually feeling very demotivated. I was not feeling good at all. I was feeling very sick mentally, and there were many reasons to it, but to tell it in a very short way, it was just that I was feeling that I'm doing nothing productive. And I don't know why these thoughts come into my mind a lot of times. And whenever I'm at that phase, I feel like everything is useless. My life is useless and things like that. And maybe it's just that I'm procrastinating a lot. And maybe I don't have a lot of friends here in Delhi, and because of that I feel alone a lot of times, and that is what happens to me. But apart from that, the last time I was talking about the challenge in the video, I told you guys that I completed 54%. There's a good news to that, that one of my friend has completed another 8,000 by converting a client, so that completes 62% of this challenge. And I'm very skeptical because there are 10 days left for this challenge. I was not able to work for the last 2 days because I was very mentally tired. I was not feeling happy, or probably I would say I was not in the right zone of my mind. I was really feeling very disturbed. My client work also got a little bit disturbed because of it, because I have not been able to do anything. And I don't know how to tackle that. I tried to talk to my friends, my family, and things like that, but it quite didn't work for me. But right now, I think I'm much better and I'm feeling better than yesterday. And I'm having that motivation and energy to stay back again on this challenge. Starting from tomorrow, I will put the same and more kind of efforts that I have been putting in the first 10 15 days. And talking specifically about the challenge, I have yet to do somewhere around 38,000 more, and for that I have 10 days left. So to complete this challenge I have to do 38,000 more, and to get that 38,000 I'll have to get at least 7 to 8 clients, and I just have 10 days to do that. So I'm just trying to put all my energy and hard work there and see what the results are. At the same time, I don't know what are the reasons that I'm feeling so disturbed. It's just a personal thing that's hampering me a lot. But apart from all of this, I will try to cover this challenge, and I'm really very, very sorry that I have not been able to upload the videos on a daily basis, which I was doing for the last 15-20 days. And that thing in itself has been disturbing me a lot. But at the same time, I would say this to you guys, that I would certainly post the videos in this coming week, and I will share with you the current status of the challenge that is going on and all the things that I have been doing in these days. So that was it about this particular video. See you in the next video. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye.